Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are a great way to invest in the stock market. They provide diversification, flexibility, and affordability. But when it comes to choosing a specific ETF, you'll need to make another decision: accumulating or distributing. In this video, we'll dive deeper into this topic and discuss the pros and cons of each type of fund. We'll also cover tax considerations, transaction costs, and availability. This is the Bullish Aristocrat. And in this channel I would like to share my investing journey, and give you all the tips and advice I wish I knew when I first started investing. So if you find that interesting, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video to help support us in reaching more people. Make sure to press the notification button to stay up to date with new videos that will be uploaded. In a previous video, I showed how you can select an ETF based on your desired criteria by using JustETF's online screener. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most important decisions you'll make as an investor when choosing an ETF. Should you choose accumulating or distributing funds? Let's start with distributing funds. As the name suggests, distributing funds pay out dividends to their investors on a regular basis, usually quarterly. These dividends are a portion of the profits earned by the companies held within the ETF. One of the main advantages of distributing funds is that you receive regular income from your investment. This can be especially beneficial for retirees or anyone who relies on their investments for income. However, there are some downsides to distributing funds. For one, the dividends you receive are subject to taxes, which can eat into your returns. Additionally, when you receive dividends, you'll need to reinvest them yourself if you want to keep growing your investment. This can lead to transaction costs and can be a hassle for some investors. If you want to know more about what are dividends and why companies pay them to their shareholders, I have made a video discussing that exact topic in details. So make sure to check it out after this one. Now let's move on to accumulating funds. These funds reinvest the dividends automatically, without paying them out to investors. As a result, you don't receive regular income from your investment, but your shares within the fund grow in value as the dividends are reinvested. One of the main advantages of accumulating funds is the tax benefits. In many countries, including the United States and some European countries, accumulating funds are subject to lower taxes than distributing funds. This is because you only pay capital gains taxes when you sell the fund, not when you receive dividends. Another advantage of accumulating funds is that you don't need to worry about reinvesting dividends yourself. This can save you time and money on transaction costs. However, there are some downsides to accumulating funds as well. For one, they may not be available for all ETFs, so you may have a more limited selection to choose from. Additionally, if you live in a country with complex tax laws, accumulating funds may require more paperwork and record keeping on your part. Now that we have covered the differences between accumulating and distributing funds, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for your investment goals. Ultimately, the choice between accumulating and distributing funds comes down to your personal preference and investment strategy. If you are looking to generate a steady stream of income, then distributing funds might be the way to go. With regular dividend payments, you can use the income generated by these funds to supplement your other sources of income, such as your salary or pension. This can be particularly useful for those who are approaching retirement age or looking for a source of passive income. On the other hand, if you are looking to maximize your long-term investment returns, then accumulating funds might be a better option. By reinvesting dividends back into the fund, you can benefit from the power of compounding over time. This means that your returns will grow exponentially as your investment compounds, leading to potentially larger returns in the long run. In addition to your investment goals, there are other factors to consider when choosing between accumulating and distributing funds. As we discussed earlier, the tax treatment of these funds can vary depending on your country of residence. You will need to research the tax laws in your country to determine which type of fund will be most tax efficient for you. You should also consider any transaction costs associated with these funds. While accumulating funds may not charge transaction fees for reinvesting dividends, you may still incur fees when buying or selling shares in the fund. Make sure to factor these costs into your investment strategy to ensure that you are maximizing your returns. Finally, it is worth noting that not all funds are available in both accumulating and distributing versions. Some funds may only be available in one format or the other, so make sure to check whether the fund you are interested in has an accumulating or distributing version. In summary, the choice between accumulating and distributing funds ultimately comes down to your personal investment goals and preferences. Whether you choose to invest in accumulating or distributing funds, make sure to do your research and consider all factors to ensure that you are making the most informed investment decisions possible. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found it at all helpful, Then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to always be up to date with new videos that will be posted weekly.